After Peter's introduction, we learned that hundreds of migratory birds fly over a dirt parking lot in St. Gabriel Mountain. And now I'm going to tell you when and why these migratory strategies began. To fully understand the birth of avian life, we need to know a few things. First, we need to know the habits of migratory birds and their journey along the Pacific Flyway. Next, I will talk about why this migratory strategy began and what the researchers do to crack the mystery. Finally, my presentation will end with some challenges that researchers have faced and the conclusion. So, why do migratory birds travel along the Pacific Flyway every year? The Pacific Flyway is a route from Alaska to Patagonia. Migratory birds fly north to find breeding sites in spring, and in autumn, they fly back to the south in order to survive the cold winter. Along the Pacific Flyway, there are many important rest stops where many different species of birds gather together, sometimes in their millions, in order to feed and to recuperate before continuing on. Some species of birds even stay there throughout the season, but most of the birds stay there for a few days and then move on. But at what point do these mixed species flocks of birds decide to pour through the Bear Divide rather than just fly over or around the mountains? We will move on to the next part about how do researchers observe these birds and crack this mystery. There are still many things about birds and their world we haven't known. In order to find out the answer, scientists will soon begin to outfitting birds at Bear Divide with tiny transmitters linked to an international network of tracking stations operated by Birds Canada. Birds Canada is a non-profit organization dedicated to avian science and conservation. Also, the Pasadena Audubon recently partnered with the U.S. Forest Service to install a tracking station at Bear Divide. This tracking station can gather data and combine them with ongoing research projects, and this allows scientists to better understand the complex migratory behavior and upgrade their conservation strategy. The last part, I will talk about some challenges of observing birds at Bear Divide. Scientists found out that at a place called Butterbread Spring, nocturnal migrants continue flying into the daylight hours. But while in Bear Divide, they stop somewhere and wait for the sunrise before wishing through the passage at about 30 miles per hour, which equals to 48 kilometers per hour. And what's worse, Bear Divide has few trees, which means counting and identifying these birds can be even hard for seasoned birders. However, it's amazing for them to see this kind of inspiring and spectacular scene. It might be nondescript for us, but for those birders, it is a pure magic. That's all from me today. Thank you.